This lighter mass is instantly noticeable as I take the M5 competition for a few laps around a wildly entertaining Ascari racetrack on the outskirts of Ronda, Spain. This private track includes turns with such charming names as the Screw, Piff Paff, and the King. High-speed straights are followed by blind corners and sudden elevation changes. It's as fun as it is demanding. As I rocket out of the last turn onto the front straight, the M5 competition shusses down the tarmac as if carving through fresh powder. The transmission is brilliant in its anticipation, trading gears up and down with a swift, keen intuition. In manual mode, I hit the rev limiter several times until I familiarize myself with the upper ranges of the V8's oral cadence. The increase in frequency doesn't bring along a sense of corresponding urgency. It lacks the telltale note of an engine singing at the height of redline, ready to drop an octave in search of more RPMs to devour. Blame the overboosted M-Sound soundtrack, which pipes through the stereo speakers a literal false note. Call it exhaust tuning by Bowers & Wilkins. Yes, I get it, right now you're a race car. If any engine configuration deserves to naturally show off the combustible fruits of its labor, it's the burbly beauty of a V8. Keep the flaps open on the pipes and dial down the digital enhancement, and you've got yourself a winner.